Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by saving work and closing non-essential apps because restarting Explorer refreshes the UI. Open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC, find Windows Explorer and choose Restart. This reloads the taskbar and often restores icons. Once done, make sure to check whether pinned icons reappear and whether system tray items return. If Explorer refuses to restart or icons are still missing, proceed to the next slide for deeper fixes, like rebuilding icon cache and checking services. Next, you'll rebuild the icon cache and verify essential services so Windows can redraw icons correctly. Stop Explorer, delete icon cache, db and %local app data %, then restart Explorer. That forces Windows to recreate icon thumbnails. Make sure Shell Experience Host and User Profile Service are running in services. MSC since they affect the taskbar and notification icons. Once done, run System File, Checker, and DISM to repair corrupted system files. These replace. Finally, reset the taskbar state and verify whether the problem is profile-specific. Unpin and repin stubborn icons and recreate shortcuts so Windows rebuilds their references. This often fixes broken links. If issues persist, create a new user account to see if the taskbar works there. A working new profile identifies a corrupted user profile. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, use an in-place upgrade, repair, or restore to a recent point. This preserves files while repairing system components.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.